Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Fortnite on your phone. First, you will need to access the game through a cloud streaming service. Two excellent options are Xbox Cloud Gaming and NVIDIA GeForce Now. A strong internet connection, ideally 5 GHz Wi-Fi, is crucial for a smooth experience. For optimal control, consider pairing a compatible Bluetooth controller with your device. This setup will significantly enhance your mobile Fortnite adventures. To get started, select your preferred cloud gaming service, such as Xbox Cloud Gaming or NVIDIA GeForce Now. You'll need to create an account and verify your internet connection is robust. Then, either download the service's dedicated app or simply access it through your phone's web browser. Once logged in, navigate to the game library and easily locate Fortnite to begin playing. For the best mobile Fortnite experience, always connect to a 5 GHz Wi-Fi network. This significantly reduces lag. Pairing a Bluetooth controller offers much more precise control than touchscreens alone. Don't forget to fine-tune your in-game graphics settings to match your phone's capabilities, ensuring smooth frame rates. Finally, keep your device charged or plugged in, as streaming can consume a lot of power. When playing Fortnite on your phone, dedicate some time to practicing building and editing in creative mode. This will sharpen your reflexes. Get comfortable with your controller's button layout for swift and accurate actions during intense moments. Always focus on strategic positioning and maintaining strong situational awareness. If playing with friends, use a headset to communicate effectively, which is key for coordinated team victories.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.